Hello, good morning, guys, and this is Coding with Gautam. And guys, today I'm gonna talk about a data structure called stacks. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, I'm just gonna. Okay, so what we are gonna do is we're gonna talk about stacks, and I think I already told you about that. So, today's topic stacks. My writing may be a bit shabby because I'm using a computer, so just please adjust. So, what is a stack? A stack is kind of like an array, but it's a bit different. So, a stack is like very much used in browsers. So, let's just open any browser. I'm just going to type coding. Give it some time to open. Okay, coding, game. No, I don't want. So next then we just typed 3 sites. And now if I click the back button, it takes me back to whatever websites I just now came to. So that is the use of stacks. So let's just imagine. So this is our stack. First, I typed coding, then games, then oh my god. Okay, just for fun. And then till now I was like keeping in values into my stack. So if I click the back button, it takes the first thing on top, and then it shows me that, then it shows me this, and then it shows me this. So this is what happens. A stack calls something called LIFO, or known as LIFO. That's what I call it. Some people call it LIFO, but I just call it LIFO. So it goes like last in, first out. So the last one in is the first one to get shown. So that is what's followed in stacks. So let me just get my eraser. I forgot to get the size. Okay, I'll just go and get an eraser and erase all this big stuff. Boom, boom. Back. Okay, wrong thing. Okay, so now we're back. And another thing about stacks is that it's better than a dynamic array. And you will go like, why would we need to only use stacks? We could use like a dynamic array. But there is one big problem in the dynamic array that could cost you money, space, and time. So for that, I'm gonna have to move my video cam a bit. So good thing is you guys can still see me. So what will happen is that, so first we have an array. Okay, and I just need to like erase that. Okay, sorry, I'm back. So first you need to have an array. So this is our array. It has like about 3 components, 1, 2, and 3. Simple. And the capacity, I'm just gonna write capa for short. Capacity equals 3. But you wanna add another thing called 4. How are you gonna add 4? This is what a dynamic array does. It goes and finds some more memory, finds a new place to create an array, and it shifts all these values and makes another array. So then it's going to be 1, 2, 3. But this time, it's going to change the capacity to like 5 or 6 or double it. So let's think he doubled it and made it 6. So then he's going to take 4. And then we're going to have like 2 arrays. And this is going to take like lots of space. And it might cost you lots of money. But just imagine, all we did is just type 1, 2, 3 and added another value. If this was on a browser, we would use like a million websites each day. Even I use internet a lot because of COVID-19. Everybody has to stay home and use the computers. So a million websites, and you add a million more. How much space do you think that is going to take? Throw a guess. That could cost lots and lots of money to get that space. Yep. So that's why everybody prefers stacks. So, yeah. And now I'm gonna just get an online coding IDE, which I already have right here. And now what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna do a simple array. So, the browsers, sorry, not browsers, the sites we went to are just site number 1, site number 2, site number 3. Okay, very simple and very good. So, after we get the sites, we could just go like sites.pop. Next time, it pops something and then print. Oh, not there. Print stack. The name. Oh shit! I got this thing a bit wrong. It's sites, not stack. So then it pops that thing out and just says 1 and 2. So after that, we just pop that thing out. And in a normal website, what it would do is it would just go like Control Z, Control V. What it would do is it would pop the site. So it's just what we would do. So it just pop the site. But this time it would print the pop. It would print the sites dot pop. So that's what it would do. It would print whatever the site popped. So then it will just show you the third website. And then you pop it again. Oh wait, sorry. Then you're gonna pop it again. You get 2. Then you pop it again. Oh wait, wrong site. I want to find it over here. You pop it again. Boom. Give it a second. And next then it has 1. But then you want to pop it again. Next then it throws us an error. Because we cannot pop anything from an empty list. What is even there to pop? So that is also a part of this. But if this happened on a browser, so let's just open like coding again. Next then game thing. So now we open more websites. So next time we go back. We go back. See, it's not taking us back anymore, and this button gets disabled. And then it just takes us somewhere if we want to do that again. But it just disables. We can't do anything more with that. That also happens in any website you try. So these are stacks. So I'll also teach a stack in Code Combat. This is also like the level I wanted to teach today. And I'm going to cover that level in another video, but I'm just going to implement how stacks are used in this. So, first, sorry. So first, we're going to like log into the account, mute the music, which is already done. My internet's a bit slow today, so sorry. I think I gotta change my Wi-Fi. Finally. So now it's open. So now I'm gonna use the level Stack Triage, which will also give us an idea of stacks, but in Code Combat. So I'm not just gonna like teach you this like a level. I'm just gonna like just skip everything and just look at how it's implemented in stacks. I'm gonna tell the solutions tomorrow. So see, okay. So now if we start, so first we pick up an item that will keep it in a stack. So I don't know, there's some code behind this thing which like takes the pickup item command and makes it into a new stack, but then that peasant's just gonna go pick up items and boom, he has a stack. And as I taught you, LIFO, same thing. And then the top item is peasant.peak item, so he just checks what's on top. So also implementing LIFO, if there's no top item, you break out of the loop. If top item is potion, you drop it. Means that you just pop it out of the list. Boom. Same thing, next then you just pop it out, then you have nothing. So that's it. You pop it, and then you can keep it into the stack. So this is just how a stack works in Code Combat. It goes on the peasant. So let's just recap. You can push and pop in stacks. It's a very good option. It's used in lots of browsers. And yeah, that's all I need to cover about the main parts of stacks. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video. And don't forget to check out my channel. Please have a good day. This is Coding with Gautam, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.